Welcome back to Cupcake DIYs.
Hi guys, welcome back to another Testing Tuesday. Today we're going to be testing a butter slime recipe.
So things you'll need will be obviously some conditioner.
Got this LV L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil Nourishing Conditioner.
And this one is just one that we've had at home, and it was, I think, like not that cheap. It was an average price, but I think you can use any conditioner if this works, because we are testing this.
Got some corn flour. We got this from the corner shop for £1. Got something to mix with and something to mix in. So let's just get started.
So first, you want to get your hair conditioner and you want to squirt some into your bowl.
We don't want to use too much so we don't waste this,
because we don't know if this will work or not. Just gonna put some in there.
This is a shimmery one, which is gonna make it really nice.
So it's just like a weird orange
It's gone everywhere.
colour. And then we're just going to open up the corn flour.
You don't need that much. I'm not using a specific recipe. I just want to try this out. So yeah.
So I think we're just going to add a little bit at a time because it's supposed to make butter slime. So it's just starting to thicken up.
So it's going to be like a doughy consistency, I guess.
And I think it's just going to turn like butter slime. So let's just see what happens when you add the corn flour.
That was a bit too much, I think.
This is a very lenient recipe. So like, for example, you add too much corn flour, then you can just add more conditioner. If you add too much conditioner,
and
just
even though like there are recipes, we always end up adding more than we need it because the recipes are sometimes not accurate.
We don't really like using recipes because they always say use a lot of like the ingredients, and then we end up wasting all the ingredients and it doesn't even work. So we just like wing it, and it ends up working when we do that. So we just do that.
Make sure you fully incorporate all of it because you might end up wasting food.
Because there's no need.
As you can see, it looks really dry, and we've mixed it all, and now you can see that it's actually quite.
Before we thought we added too much corn flour, but I think we added just the right amount. So just gonna carry mixing it. It's like a crumbly texture.
It feels a bit like a dough, you know, guys.
Oh, it's actually quite nice. It's like dough, kind of sticky.
Butter slime is a bit like a dough, but we need to check if this is actually stretchy. Most people who do it, it's actually stretchy.
It's really nice and soft. I think we should just mix it for a bit. Oh, this is so nice. And it is. It's actually nice.
My God. I didn't think it would be stretchy, you know.
Wow, this actually worked. And it feels like butter slime, like a really nice butter slime. It's so soft and it smells like really good because obviously it is air conditioner. And it spreads really nicely.
We would actually really recommend this. We wouldn't like, you can use any conditioner, I think. Maybe we'll try it with another conditioner another time.
Or we could do like testing conditioners for this butter slime. Oh my God,
comment down below if you would like that.
Surprised it's worked. And it's actually like butter slime. Oh my God, and it's really nice and soft.
I wonder if it makes poking noises.
Should we try? And it's quite shimmery. It's got like glitter in it.
The conditioner itself has glitter in it.
Not glitter, but like it's shimmery. So it doesn't make poking noises, but most butter slimes.
It's butter slime, so
most butter slimes don't really. Oh my God.
Or you can make a bigger batch if you would like. And it didn't take that much corn flour anyway. About the same amount and maybe a bit more.
Oh my God, this is so cool. It's proper stretches. And it's got butter slime, like butter texture. Oh my God.
It's really, really soft, guys. Like so nice and soft. Like I wish you were here to see it in reality.
This is so weird. I thought it wouldn't work.
This is a finished slime and it's so nice. We made a bit more just to show you, and it spread so nicely. We don't have a butter knife right now, so we're just gonna use this spoon. This is so nice. It's so nice and soft. Like, oh my God, guys. I don't even know. I'm speechless. There's like nothing to say about it. It's amazing.
It's so smooth, so
soft.
Spreads
like flawless.
It's like spreading so much. It stretches all like slime, and it's matte, and then It's like it leaves a shiny thing on our hands. Like this actual thing is shiny, but you can't really see it on camera. You can definitely see the shimmer on my hands, and it looks so cool. And then we're thinking of like coloring it yellow, but we're just scared that it's gonna ruin the texture.
It's already quite like a buttery color. Like it looks
Texture.
white on camera, but it's actually quite nice.
The texture is just so nice. This was a definite success. So thank you guys for watching.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment and subscribe. Well, you can recommend us more baking and DIYs. We hope you enjoyed. Bye!